Kinfolk.
Oh Lord.
I'm so tired. So tired. I gotta stop and get me an energy shot. Okay, now let's get it started. Alright, kinfolk. Now we can get this vlog started. But today, man, welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you. But yeah, I am very tired though. I have been working a lot. I worked 84 hours this week. Actually, I gotta go to work today. Today is January 27th. Nope, January 28th. And the reason I know that is because 21 years ago, my beautiful baby girl was born. So we're headed out to take her out to breakfast. Me and the wifey, Mello. Hello, Mello. Just came out of church, and so we are headed now to take my daughter out for breakfast, just to celebrate, because again, I got to go to work. So we're gonna take her to breakfast real quick, and then
how many times you have to tell them
and then I gotta go to work.
How many times you have to tell me I have to take her to breakfast and go to work?
We're gonna take her to breakfast, and then I'm gonna go to work. That many times. So I don't know, man. I don't know where we're going with this. This is just gonna be a
man, look at that Jeep over there.
Oh my gosh. Jeep life.
Sussy. It's so sussy.
But yeah, it's not gonna be a moto vlog today, guys, but
and our weather has been horrible.
Yeah.
It's been raining, and then it stops, and then it comes, and then it stops, and then it comes.
Just horrible. But we're gonna go. We're actually headed to what's it called? Toasted Yolk? The Toasted Yolk, ain't it?
I guess. I don't know.
Yeah.
I keep confusing that one with the broken egg.
Yeah, no, it's not the broken egg. So it's the Toasted Yolk. And I've been there once before. I went with my daughter, actually. She took me there. And the food was amazing, man. The portion sizes were enormous. And the pricing wasn't bad. So we're headed there again today, but a different location. The location today we're going to is the one on Rayford Sawdust. So we're headed down there, and we're gonna eat some breakfast, and then I gotta go to work.
What are you gonna do today?
We're gonna go eat some breakfast, and then I gotta go to work. So
we're gonna go eat some breakfast, and then he has to go to work.
I'm pretty sure most of y'all have already clicked off this damn video, but let's go. We'll see you when we. All right, kinfolk. We here. This here's my daughter, y'all. Say hi. Lucia. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
21 years old today.
Finally.
And you know what the crazy thing is? Even though you're 21.
Happy birthday. Thank you.
Even though you're 21 and we go out in public, it's weird how people look at us and they're like, damn, y'all brother and sister? For real, huh? Damn. Oh, shit. All right, kinfolk. So here we are at Toasted Yolk. Let's get a little view real quick. So how's it feel, little girl? How's it feel to be 21?
It doesn't move.
Tato, what do you think? Was it good? What do you think, Bubba? Nah, dang. Just so y'all know, man, hey, if y'all watch my channel, you know my boy is a mechanic, right? He works at Mercedes. He was doing a little job and radiator hose blew up in his face. So, man, make sure y'all be careful working on cars, man. You got a little advice for him?
Don't work on BMWs.
Damn. All right, man. Well, again, I appreciate it, Ken folk. Thank y'all for watching, man. Happy birthday to my baby girl, Ben. Wait a minute. Oh, shit. We gotta come back. There we are. Happy birthday to my baby girl. 21 years old, man. And, yeah, and we do look like brother and sister, right?
Oh, we like some love, too.
Hey.
We like some love, too. We're like brothers
Y'all
and
look
sisters.
like brother and sister, too.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. All right, Ken folk. Well, that's it, man. Appreciate y'all. Until next time, Knuckles out.